Welcome back to my channel. So as you all can see, this is my iPhone 7. I used to record all my videos on this phone, but now it is giving me some issues from the past some days. Like the camera does not work sometimes, and I've also seen that many people are facing these issues while buying new iPhones, that the camera is giving issue, it doesn't work. So today we'll be going to the shop and seeing what is the exact issue and how do we fix it, what is the cost of fixing it, and let's see what happens. So guys, as you all can see, we went to the shop and got it repaired. He said that there was no issue with the camera. There were just motherboard issues which got fixed for rupees 800. I'll also let you know the cost of the camera. It was costing 2400 for both the cameras, and the motherboard got fixed for rupees 800.